In this video, we are going to install SilverHolder LED conversion kit H8, H9, H11. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. These bulbs are 300% brighter than your standard halogen. They are IP68 waterproof and use 55 watts. They put out 10,000 lumens per pair with a 9012 LED chipset. Color temperature is 6,000 kelvins, cool white. It gives off a perfect beam pattern. It has a 1-to-1 design. Measures at 2.94 inches and 1.67 inches. They are made of aviation aluminum alloy. Has a 12,000 RPM turbo cooling fan. Has a copper tube and a fin design for better heat dissipation. We have your IC driver. It is canvas ready and has a plug and play design. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Now for the install, we're going to do the driver's side low beam. I believe this would be the low beam. This right here is the high beam. You want to go underneath, and that plug right there, all you have to do is twist counterclockwise and pull out. So it's kind of hard to record that, but I'll do my best. Just tight place here, twist, and just pull out. Now you want to press on this right here to unclip it. Press and then pull this out. Now to install, we're going to go ahead and insert and then turn clockwise to tighten. Make sure the tabs line up. And turn clockwise. Then you're going to get your harness and get the OEM harness and just plug it right in. If it does not work, turn it around and go ahead and turn the harness around and then plug it in again. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.